Today on Lone Star Grills, we're firing up our offset smoker for some incredible pulled beef sandwiches. From our pit to your plate, you're going to love this one. We have a fresh cut chuck roast here right from the butcher, weighing in at just around 4 pounds. When choosing yours, make sure it has good marbling and good color. To get this seasoned up, just hit up each side with a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce and use your favorite coarse seasoning or rub. We're keeping this real simple today, and we're just using some Montreal Steak Seasoning. Be sure to be very generous because this rub is going to provide us with really good bark and texture on the outside. Cover it completely on all sides and edges. Now that this is ready to go, it's time to head outside and fire up the offset. We'll be doing today's cook on the Lone Star Grill's 24 by 36 offset at a temperature of 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Start your fire by placing some lit coal in the fire management basket, then a split, and allow that to catch fire. Let that burn for a few minutes, then close the firebox door and open up both your bottom and top vent wide open to allow your cooker to come up to temperature and start producing good, clean smoke for today's cook. If your smoke is thin blue, thin white, or clear, you're ready to go. You can then close your firebox vent to about 50%, and you can leave your top vent fully open. This will ensure good airflow and good, clean smoke throughout the entire cook. So simply control your temperatures by feeding splits whenever needed. This is a pro tip that'll ensure you the best results. And now that the cooker's ready to go, let's get this chuck roast on. We'll place it in the cooker, close the lid, and allow it to soak up some beautiful smoke flavor for 2 to 3 hours. And just a couple hours later, you can see the beautiful color this chuck roast has taken on. The bark is set, and it's time to tenderize. We'll now get this into a foil pan with a couple cups of beef broth, some sweet peppers, and some onion. Then cover it with foil and get it back on the cooker. We'll let this go until it becomes tender. It can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours or even more depending on the size of your roast. Once it probes tender, just remove it from the cooker and allow it to rest for about an hour. Then you can shred it up and serve it up any way you like. We are going to build a sandwich. Start with some good bread and pile that beef nice and high. Now for the sweet peppers, a little pickled red onion, jalapenos for some heat, and we'll smother this with some barbecue sauce to finish it off. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support. If you've got any questions about any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. See you on the next one.